Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum in your 401k. So if you know anything about the crypto markets, they have been absolutely insane this year. Bitcoin's up almost 100%, and Ethereum is up roughly 47% on the year, both huge gains. If we take a look at some of the funds that Vanguard has, Vanguard is the largest 401k provider. Their best performing fund is only up 5.92%. And then they have money market funds offering around a 4% yield, and then a bunch of bond funds that are down even more. What you really want to see, though, is a fund that matches the performance, and this growth fund is close at 23% year to date, but that's only half of what Ethereum is. It's only a quarter of what Bitcoin is. So, within your Vanguard 401k, there's a good chance that your corporation or company allows you to set up a self-directed 401k. And when you log into your Vanguard account, you need to go to Menu, and then in the upper left-hand corner, go down to Plan Details and Plan Rules. When you click that, this page will pop up and you'll see self-directed brokerage. So self-directed brokerage is going to allow you to invest in assets outside of the predetermined Vanguard assets. And when you click on that self-directed brokerage, it'll come up with these plan rules. I recommend just calling this number, and they'll be able to help you walk through exactly how to set up your self-directed 401k account. It doesn't take very long. What it's going to do is give you a second brokerage account. It's going to be through Charles Schwab, since they just bought out TD Ameritrade. A little bit about why you would want to have a self-directed 401k account. Like I said, it provides you with more flexibility on what assets you're allowed to invest in. Here's some of the advantages. You get all the same contribution match that you have previously, but now you can invest it in things that you want to do that produce these outside returns. One of the big faults with a lot of these, mutual funds and target date funds is they don't give you any commodities exposure. So you are allowed to invest heavier in commodities, and they do not give you any crypto exposure at all. So once you have your self-directed 401k account built, all you do is go to your new Charles Schwab account, and the best way to buy Ethereum is through the Grayscale Ethereum fund. Ticker is ETHE, and then the best way to buy Bitcoin is through the GBTC fund, also Grayscale. These funds have massively outperformed all the other markets this year. And with all of the breakouts going on in crypto right now, you're not going to want to be underexposed to that. So make sure you go and check your 401k. See if your company does allow for you to set up a self-directed brokerage account. It should have everything done in less than a day or two. And then you'll have easy access to these different alternate currencies and different alternate asset types that are going to allow you to really outperform most of your peers in their retirement. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the chat, and thanks for watching.